All right, what's up, guys? Gonna be multitasking here. Put the mic on the back and driving with doing the other video, but I just learned a new tidbit of information I want to pass along to you guys. This is my first car with a heads-up display. I know you Corvette guys maybe might want to chime in here, but I did notice online when they were talking about cleaning this car, or cleaning the windshield, cleaning this windshield, there's a special film of which, and it's just a little square, the heads-up display does reflect off of it, projects onto, and that's what you read. That film is, I guess it's quite sensitive. So what you want to use, a glass cleaner that is window tint safe. And that's not just for that one square, because I guess the entire windshield is covered with the anti-glare film. That's pretty cool. And it really is actually pretty cool. But the anti-glare film is also just as sensitive as that film for the heads-up display unit. So a regular glass cleaner, they are saying, has an acidic base. It's like a vinegar, or the ammonia's in it. I guess no good. It will over time deteriorate that film, essentially not ruining your windshield, but it is in a way. I found it pretty cool information. I didn't see anything, any YouTube videos or whatever, so I wanted to pass this word along. I switched over to that Stoner's Invisible Glass. Seems to be working pretty good. It does a good job, and I guess over time it will protect my windshield. Modern glass has come a long way apparently, and it seems I think all the windows, back glass, side glass, all of them have at least the UV screen in them. So take the information for what it's worth. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.